Promoting affiliate links on Facebook groups is very easy to do. I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open any browser in your system. Go to the website to copy the affiliate link that you want to promote. I will copy Amazon affiliate link, so I will go to Amazon. This is my Amazon account and I will promote dumbbell. Search here and copy the link from this text option. Now open new tab and search Facebook. Log into your Facebook account. This is my Facebook account. Now go to your group from here, or you can also search here. Make sure to promote link in the relevant group. Like I am promoting dumbbell in home workout group. This is my group, home exercise workout. People need dumbbell for workout in home. Now click here to promote affiliate link. Write this line with link if you are promoting Amazon affiliate link. As an Amazon associates, I earn from qualifying purchases. Then paste the affiliate link. Now click on post. You can see the post. Dumbbell image is also showing in the post. When someone clicks on this image, he will go to Amazon and new tab to buy the product. This is how you can promote affiliate links on Facebook groups.